Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by stopping the core services so updates cannot continue. Open services with Windows plus R type services, MSC, and press Enter. Find Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service because these coordinate downloads and installs. Once found, right-click each, choose Stop, then change startup type to manual or disabled. This prevents automatic restart. Do this now to halt active update processes. Make sure you have admin rights. Otherwise, you cannot change service states and the steps below won't work. Once services are stopped, remove the files that trigger or resume updates. Open an elevated command prompt and run net stop WUSERV and net stop bits to be certain services are halted. Then navigate to see /Windows/software distribution and delete the contents of download and data store folders. These hold pending packages and database entries. Deleting them clears queued updates. If a file is in use, confirm services are stopped or reboot into safe mode and repeat. This ensures Windows has no cached update to continue. Finalize by preventing automatic restarts and future immediate installs. Open Settings Update and Security Windows Update and pause updates temporarily, while here set active hours so restarts don't catch you off guard. For stronger control, use gpedit. MSC, if available. Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components Windows Update. Set Configure Automatic Updates to Notify for download. Once done, monitor update behavior. If something fails, reboot into safe mode, repeat stopping services and clearing software distribution, or run the Windows Update troubleshooter to fix stuck components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.